What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing my review of the Aiwa Arc 1's over-the-ear headphones. Now, I've had this for quite a while and I tested them out quite a bit, and these headphones are phenomenal. Now, things are a little different because I'm going to be doing videos with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Yes, you heard that right. This is Galaxy Note 10 Plus, stock microphone, no, microphone whatsoever. It's going to be all the sound quality will be coming from the microphones on the Samsung Note 10 Plus. I just wanted to test it out to see how it is, and I'm just shooting in full HD. I'll probably do the next video I shoot probably in 4K to test out the 4K feature. But first off, the Aiwa Arc 1's headphones. Now, these cost anywhere from between 100 to 130 bucks, 150 bucks sometimes. I think when these first came out, they were like 150 to 200, something like that. I waited a little while to get them, but I finally did, and boy, am I glad that I get these. Let me go ahead and pair this with my phone so you folks can hear what I'm talking about. Okay, these headphones are phenomenal. Let me go ahead and give you a quick sample. And when you turn these headphones on, it'll tell you how much, like when you're paired, it'll tell you exactly how much battery you have left. And why is it not pairing? Oh, there we go, it's connected. 100% battery. So I fully charged this thing. I forgot what the battery, how long the battery lasts. I forgot it. I'll put it right down here. But I can tell you for a fact they did last me a whole week without me having to go recharge them. Now that's taking it at 2 to 3 hours a day. And finally on, I think, what, the 8th day or something like that, 8th or 9th day, I went ahead and stuck these on the charger. Now, I don't think it was fully dead. I think it could have gone a little bit more, but for the most part, it'll last you a week if you listen to them at least 2 to 3 hours a day. That's what I do to break these headphones in, and these things sound phenomenal. So these right now, they probably got close to 30 hours already of use. Close to, I'm not saying, because I had this for almost, yeah, over 2 weeks already. I know I was supposed to come out with a review earlier. I apologize for that. But the battery life is good. Now let's take a look at the build quality. Okay, the build quality. Nice leather band up here. Not too much padding right here at the top. It's fairly minimal, but then again, these are light headphones. They don't feel heavy. And the ear cups they're good. They're solid. And I like the aluminum or metal here. This is a metal band, so it's fairly stiff. Now the only way I can see this thing breaking is if it breaks here, it breaks the plastic, that breaks off, or this part breaks off, and comes off the plastic and whatnot. But for the most part, this thing is pretty sturdy. Okay, the build quality is pretty good. Now as for the comfort, see, they fit on your head, fairly simple. They cover most of your ear. Okay, most folks, they're not gonna have trouble fitting their ears into your end. Your ears will not, well, part of your ear will sit on the pads and the rest of it will probably sink in there, and it'll be it'll create a decent seal for when you're listening to the music. So these provide a really decent seal when you're listening. It doesn't have active noise cancellation, which is fine. I don't care for active noise cancellation on all my headphones. I don't really care for it at all. What most important to me is sound quality, and that's what this thing has in leaps and bounds. Okay, let's go ahead and listen to a song real quick. One of my usual. Go with Rebirth. This is at full blast. I don't know where the microphone is on the Note 10 Plus. I know they got quite a few, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it right there. How's that? Not bad. Let's try another song, okay? Real quick, let's try one more song. Let's go ahead. I don't know what this song is. Domestic by Callus. Ooh, nice punchy bass. Whoa! phenomenal. Okay, the sound quality this thing puts out, now I'm not saying it's audiophile sound quality. You're not gonna get audiophile sound quality from wireless headphones, but do they come close to CD quality? Yeah, they do. The mids, they're nice. You can hear them. They're good. They're not recessed in any way. Maybe a little bit in some songs. Depends on the song. Now the highs, they're nice, crystal clear. It doesn't get tingy at full volume. It doesn't, distort at full volume. And the bass, it's nice and punchy. If the song has bass, you're gonna hear it, and it's nice and clean. Not overtly too much bass, but just right in my opinion. Okay, these things sound phenomenal for what they are. And as for volume, they're just right. I wish it would be a mite louder, but that's me. I'm a psychopath. I like to listen to things loud. But these are fine the way it is. These will get quite loud for 99% of the people out there. It'll be fine. Just the 1% of people out there that listen to things really loud like myself, I just wish it was just a mite louder, but then I'm nitpicking here. Okay, this headset is phenomenal. Now you're folks thinking, is it worth that $130 price tag? Yeah, it is. Okay, now if it was $150, step back and think about it a little bit, because this came back out in 2017. $150. Now this is better than my other $150 headset that I bought, the Culture V1s. But is it still worth it at this price, especially in 2019 when this came out 2 years ago? Who knows? There might be a version 2 in the works. We don't know. So $150, I kind of hesitate. But if it goes like $130 and below, I think it's a good price. All right, for this headset. Now, if you folks didn't catch the unboxing of this headset, go ahead and check in the link in the description down below. And this product right here will also be listed down below in the description if folks want to take a look at it, and hopefully maybe folks follow the link and buy something off of those links. I do get us kickback from any of those links that you guys buy down in the description down below, and anything that I do get goes directly back into this channel to invest in products so I can do reviews for you folks. I actually got an unboxing video I'll be shooting directly after this. I'm gonna wear the same shirt and everything, the Kimetsu no Yaiba Demon Slayer. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing right after this video. So, but first off, let me go ahead and listen to the mic quality of this headset. Here's the mic quality. This is a test of the Aiwa Arc one's microphone. As you can hear, it sounds pretty standard, but fairly good overall. That's the mic quality. Now, it's not bad. When I talk to people on the other side, I talked to my friend, and he said that he could hear me fine. Sound a little muffled a little bit, but they could hear me totally perfectly fine. So, as for the microphone quality, it's okay. It's decent. All right. But yeah, that was my review on the Aiwa Arc 1 wireless headphones. Are they worth that price? Yes, are. They worth that $130 price right now? Definitely. $150, it's pushing it, but I think it is. But just wait for a sale. It'll drop to $130 or below. I wouldn't recommend picking it up at $150. Now, if you're a baller, go ahead, by all means, go ahead and buy it. That's fine. I'm not telling you not to buy it, but you can find these things, especially without like the case and stuff. You can get them for like $100 or less. Now, I bought the version that came with the case, which is like $30 to $40 more. Now, comes part 2 to this video. I want to go ahead and talk about how is this headset compared to one of my most favorite wireless over-the-ear headphones. Okay, you folks know I've chosen the Ghostek Rapture Wireless headphones as one of my best headphones that I have right now. Okay, and it is, and this thing certainly is right up there with the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. Let's go a quick little review, quick little thing, rundown on the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. Now this is from Ghostek. This is one of their highly rated phones on Amazon. Now I went ahead and picked this up before it got all big and hyper, because I've heard of the name Ghostek before. They had the Ghostek Soul Drop 2 and whatnot, but when they came out with these, I don't know, I was gravitated toward the look, the design. Look at that, you got the little Ghostek logo right there, you got the Ghostek logo ghosted onto there. It's pretty cool, and the padding is fair. It's almost the same thing as this, and this got more weight. I feel like this got more weight than the Aiwa Arc ones, but Look at this build quality. It's like, this is aluminum. This is all aluminum. Even the hinge right here, that's aluminum. And these ear pads right here. These ear pads, I don't know what they make, what they're called again. I'm gonna leave it down here, the name of the ear pad. But these things just sit on your ear. Okay, they sit on your ear. They're not painful or anything. They're nice and comfortable, as are these. Now, as for comfort, I kind of like these better, but you get more sound leakage with these because these just sit on your ear like this. They sit on your ear. You get it tones down, and they just nice kind of snuggle your ear. This covers your ear more better. That's why you get more sound leak from this. Kind of does sound like if someone's sitting right here, they're gonna hear it. But then again, these headphones are for mostly listening at home, casual listening and whatnot anyway. So mostly you're gonna be by yourself when you're listening to these headphones. Alright. But yeah, the build quality is fine. The battery life is good. The battery life will be listed down here because I forgot. I mean, I know this can last me a full week with the battery. So most majority of headphones can last me a full week, 2 to 3 hours a day, no problem. Majority headphones out there. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna get this phone paired. Get this headphones paired to. Okay, I went ahead and got my Ghostek Rapture Wireless headphones connected. So let me go ahead and play you a sound sample from this headset. Oh, before I forget, here is a mic sample of the Ghostek Rapture Wireless microphone. This is a test of the Ghostek Rapture Wireless microphone. As you can hear, it sounds clearly better than the Aiwa Arc 1. Let's play the same thing. Domestic Calas. Oh. Whoa. Man, these sound phenomenal. Let's go back to Rebirth. Let's see how Rebirth sounds. Now, this is tough, man. To choose between these two, which is a better headset? Now, this one is for sale for like $124.99, but I think there's a coupon going around where it's 35% off, so you can get this for around $100, which is a steal in my opinion. $100 for this headset is a steal. And keep in mind, no active noise cancellation, but you don't need it for good sound. Okay, this is just for good sound. Okay, again, not audiophile quality, but good enough. Okay, it's gonna be better audio quality than most other headsets out on the market right now. But the Aiwa Arc ones, Ghostek Rapture Wireless, which do I prefer? Oh, this is tough because these are both really good. I would have to go on price versus performance. Now, whatever's cheaper, that's the winner. Okay, that's in my opinion. If you can get this headset for $100, go ahead and get it. You can get this headset for $100, go ahead and get it. I mean, because they're both totally worth that price. Now, if you can get this headset, if they're like both worth, like if you're looking at a price tag of $130 versus $100, I would definitely go for the Ghostek Rapture just to save a little money, because you're not going to lose any sound quality. The volume is good. The bass is on point. It's a clean bass, nice tight clean bass. Now, it doesn't have, it's not like a rumbly bass. The mids, they're nice, they're good. The vocals are good, and their mids are not recessed, and the highs are crystal clear with this Ghostek Rapture Wireless headset. Phenomenal headset. So yeah, like if these two were the same price now, if say this is $100, I probably have to go with the Ghostek. It's still my favorite. Now this is right there. Like, this is a score is 100. This is a 99. That's how close this headset battle is, okay? Comparison, I should say, not a battle. It's not really, they're not really fighting. I love them both. Oh, I love them. No, but seriously, I do love them both. Phenomenal headsets. But yeah, so that was my review of the Arc 1 Aiwa headphones compared to the Ghostek Rapture Wireless headphones. Both phenomenal headsets. Like I said, if you're conflicted about you're looking for a good, decent mid-range pair of headphones, you can't go wrong with either of these. But if price is a stickler, then you're probably looking at the Ghostek Rapture Wireless, especially with that 35% coupon, which will also be listed down below in the description so you folks can check it out. Yeah, it's Guddang 775. I hope you folks like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.